Evonic Fires are proud to introduce the Sirus e-LLUSION. Using the latest projection technology, Evonic Fires have perfected a truly breathtaking flame effect, featuring some of the most immersive flames on the market today. With a cassette-style design, the Sirus offers easy and stress-free installation. The Sirus also houses a discrete 1500 watt heater. The fuel bed gives a gentle and authentic glow, which is enhanced by amber and clear glass crystal decoration. The Sirus comes with a choice of 3 optional fascia finishes: soapstone, sienna and arctic. By utilising LED projection, the Sirus offers a truly silent flame effect. The Sirus is controlled via the newly released eSmart Cloud app, which allows seamless control over heat settings, speed and brightness.